Right now, there are properties in Tulum selling for less than replacement cost, something that would have been impossible just 3 years ago. My name is Marc Pont and I have been working in real estate in Tulum for the last 8 years. And after analyzing thousands of property based on location, price per square feet, and actual construction quality, I found what I think are the 3 best deals currently on this market. So let's see the 3 properties and let me know what do you think.
The first property is located in Aldea Zamá, one of the most established areas in Tulum. You have infrastructure, commercial areas, and multiple access points to the beach. But what makes this house interesting isn't just the location. The entire property is designed around a lush interior courtyard connecting the different spaces through open walkways and bridges. And honestly, that completely changed the way the space feels. It doesn't feel like a typical house inside a gated community. It feels far more private and much more integrated into the jungle. The property features 5 bedrooms, 3,500 square feet of construction, and sits on a 3,800 square feet lot. And now comes the important part. It's currently listed at 10.2 million pesos, which at today's exchange rate is under 600,000 US dollars. And for a 5-bedroom house in Aldea Zamá, that price point basically doesn't exist in today's market. I couldn't find anything truly comparable in that range. The second property is located in La Veleta, probably one of the busiest and fastest moving areas in Tulum right now, and it's just steps away from Calle 7, surrounded by restaurants, bars, and shops. But the real game changer here is the lot size. The property was built across 3 combined lots totaling almost 10,000 square feet, which is extremely hard to find in this area today. And you feel it immediately when you walk in. On the first lot, there is a massive red pool and 2 independent guest houses, each with its own ensuite bathroom. Then you move into the main house, designed with a very strong industrial brutalist aesthetic. High ceilings, exposed concrete, fully open spaces, and a scale that honestly isn't common to see in Tulum. The property offers more than 5,000 square feet of construction and 5 bedrooms in total. And now let's talk numbers. The owner is willing to accept 595,000 US dollars for the entire property. Just the land alone makes this price difficult to replicate today. And once you factor in the construction quality and the location, it's very clear price below replacement cost. And there is still one final space that completely changed the potential of the property. An independent yoga studio that could easily be converted into a gym, art gallery, kids area, or even a private sports club. The last property is also located in La Veleta, inside the Namas Tulum project. And here we are going to start with the numbers right away while we tour the property. The owner purchased this unit 3 years ago for 8.9 million pesos. And today it's being sold for 6.2 million pesos. That means it's hitting the market at almost 30% below the original purchase price. It's a garden unit with its own private pool and garden, organic architecture, and double high ceilings that make the whole space feel much more open. And it's being delivered completely turnkey, fully furnished, fully equipped, and decorated exactly as you are seeing it. And honestly, I think the most interesting part about all of this is that just a few years ago, it was practically impossible to find opportunities like this in Tulum.
The market has changed. Some owners need liquidity. Some developers are adjusting prices, and properties are selling for less than what it costs to build today. So if any of these properties caught your attention and you would like more information, send me a message and I will send you all details. And if you like this content, hit the like button and subscribe so we can see each other on the next video. Adios!